Okay, so we can go through this side, I guess, to exit the autobuska. And then I need to put my thingy on the map because we have no idea where to walk. It shows 1.4 kilometers. I think it's gonna be a nice walk, guys. So join me. Let's see. I booked the hostel very much on the sea. Take a taxi, but I think it's a nice walk, to be honest. It's gonna be a nice walk. And we'll get to see the town a little bit as well. Nice views, day is good. Wind has calmed down. Otherwise it was very windy. You couldn't have heard me talking, but now it's better. This town has got a totally different what do you call, feel. You see the coconut trees or palm trees, whatever they are, and even the buildings, the roads, everything is quite different than Podgorica. Google is showing a very weird direction I need to go. I think that little alley, but I'm not sure what is the best way to cross, to be honest. There are cars and everything coming from all the sides, and here we have, I guess, managed to cross. We need to go through this little alley. I'm not sure two people can pass together here. And there is a little kid coming with her mom with a trolley. I will wait. Here is our turn. I don't know how we manage. Alright. Hawala. Yeah, Hawala is like a thank you. They could have made it a bit more wider. Thank you. Close. That was a bit of a challenge. Yeah, I guess Budva is growing a lot. It's popular, it's growing, it's busy, it's nice. So my hostel is in the old town of Budva. The only thing I have not brought with me, basically is my sunglasses, and I miss them. I don't know why I didn't bring, basically. I was thinking why to carry extra stuff, but I think carrying sunglasses would have been a nice thing to do. Looks like I have missed a turn. Totally distracted here and there. Missed a turn, but I think we can catch up if I go this way. Here we are, carrying on our walk to our hostel. Still a distance to go, to be honest. Yeah, this is a bit of a straight walk, and on the left hand side is a marina, I guess. A lot of yachts are there, and I can see the sea. But yeah, not distracting myself for now. We are going to hostel first. I have not planned anything what I shall be doing afterwards. So I guess all the options are open. I can simply go to beach, sit there, enjoy, relax. Other is that we can take a walk around the old town, marina and everywhere. Eat something for today, because today it's 1 o'clock already. I guess I can do both. Take a walk and later in the day go to the beach. Again, I think I have missed some entry point. I guess it is through this thing. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I think this is the entrance to the old city. Okay, dokes. Here is our hostel. I can see the name, Freedom Hostel. Let's find the entrance and drop my bag. I guess it is this way. If I'm not wrong, it should be somewhere here. Where is it? I guess we missed the entrance somewhere. It is hidden somewhere. It says Freedom Hostel here, but where is the door? Ah, here is the door. Can you see inside? There is nobody on the reception. Let's see. Here we are in the room. He said room is ready, so I can use. And this is my bed, guys. And from the bed, there is a window. Here I am. See outside from here. Wow, wow, wow.